Okay. Lecture 3 of RCC design. RCC design. In this lecture, we will study the models of elasticity and other properties of the concrete. So, the models of elasticity of concrete. Models of elasticity is represented by E, and this bracket is of which models elasticity of concrete. Okay. We know the stress system diagram of concrete is initially some parabolics initially show some linearity, and then it is the parabolic in this formation. So this is the stress system. So this is the linearity, some linearity. So this is stress in Newton per mm square. This is the strain, and this is the stress. Stress is taken into y direction, and this is given by x direction. So we know that the concrete is the brittle material. We know that the concrete is the brittle material. And stress and strain curve of the concrete is non-elastic and non-linear, non-elastic curve and non-linear. So the stress system curve of the concrete is non-linear, but in some portions show some linear extensions. And we know that by the Hooke's law, stress is directly proportional to the strain, and we by Hooke's law, so the stress equals to E. So the strain modulus of E is the modulus of elasticity, and this is strain divided by E. So the stress divided by strain. Now, so strain of the concrete. Strain of concrete is. So how many types of the strain in the concrete? I explain here. Strain of concrete. Okay. So strain is nothing but change in the dimensional divided by its original dimensions when applied the load. So the strain of concrete, there are the two types of the strain are introduced in the concrete. First is the short term strain, and another is the second is long term strain of concrete. Okay. And this short term strain of concrete, I write it as TS, okay, for your understanding. And this is due, this short term strain in a concrete is introduced due to the instantaneous load, and this long term stress are induced in a concrete due to the creep and shrinkage of the concrete. Show that the models of elasticity of concrete due to the short term strain, instantaneous load, is called short term models of elasticity. So it is called the short term models of elasticity. The short term models of elasticity of concrete is based on the short term strain, and this short term strain induced in the concrete due to the instantaneous load. And the models of elasticity of concrete due to the long term strain is called effective models of elasticity. of elasticity of concrete. Models of elasticity of concrete. So we explain in the next the types of the models of elasticity of concrete based on the short-term models of elasticity. Short-term models of elasticity. So the types of models of elasticity. Types of models of elasticity of concrete, which is based on short term models of elasticity. Short term models, yes, short term models of elasticity. So again I draw the stress strain curve, your stress strain diagram of concrete. This in x direction strain which is unitless, and stress in y direction I taking as a sigma Newton per mm square. So the stress strain diagram of the concrete is this, like this, and when we draw an initial tangent to this curve, is called initial tangent models of concrete. And if we draw any tangent on this curve at any point is called tangent models, which is denoted by Tm. And if we connect this point to its origin by any passing to the line, this is called secant models, SM. So where the ITM is initial tangent models of elasticity of concrete, and TM is nothing but the tangent models which is draw the tangent at a point to the curve of models, and SM nothing but secant models of elasticity. And next we according to the models of elasticity of concrete as per the IS 456200 के अकॉर्डिंग हम देखते हैं. So the models of elasticity of concrete is as per according to the IS 456